Okay. So this is ThinkTankStormFX. Here we focus on trading financial markets. And today, definitely, we are gonna discuss some of the trades we took in the previous week. And never know, you may learn also something from this video, or from because we learn from our errors, we learn from our mistakes. So never know, it may also help you also to avoid such a mistake next time. So definitely we took like 2 to 3 trades. Some of them were on gold, others was on GJ, and the other was on BTC too. But first we gonna check a moment. So first we are gonna check on gold. As you see, we're gonna check on gold. We're gonna check on gold. We had 2 trades here, and you can see we have one which is still running. Has the the day closed. Has the day closed. So the first trade which we had, this was the first trade which we had. So this trade typically is still running. However, it's now break even. Yeah, definitely. When you're analyzing the market, as you're seeing there, I analyze the market very well. So as you know that most of the times when you're analyzing the market, you need to have this perspective in the mind. Remember, we are main spectators in the market, and whenever you analyze something, you need also to be able to understand what definitely you are doing. You get? So basically, as me and my group, we always start from the daily time frame to analyze the market, to get a clear view of the market or the flow of the market. So so when you start from the daily time frame, as you are seeing, let me zoom in clearly. Let me zoom in. You understand it. Definitely, as you see, generally, gold definitely has been bullish and has given us this pullback. And definitely, after tapping to this support you're seeing there, and then we had it gave us a breakout structure after tapping to the support level, giving us something like intent for the buyers to join in, and then has given us this order block, whereby on Thursday I expected, on Friday we shall expect to sell that will be able to drop on this demand, and indeed it has come to the demand. And definitely on Friday I was also expecting to take a sell, but definitely the time open the chart, market has already moved on, so he did not catch mainly the sales on gold, me and my team. So definitely we expect on this demand to push this market either to go to the buy side liquidity above, or to give us a little pullback for the buyers to be introduced. And then we dropped to 4 hours. So when dropped to 4 hours, we had a demand we were expecting. However, we had 2 demands. The one where institutions stepped in with a very big favor lookup present, and that one they did not hold. However, we took a trade from there aggressively, and definitely we hit the SL. So, however, we had 2 demands present. There is that one at the extreme, which we are still holding onto. And when you find further on 1 hour, as you are still listening onto this video, please subscribe, turn on the bell notification. Never know, you may keep learning something and you avoid the mistakes, because we learn from our mistakes. You get? So when I drop further on 15 minutes, where I take most of my trades with my VVIP members. So we had this demand which was available there at the extreme. We have the extreme demand, and then the next demand. So where institutions stepped in aggressively. The first one there, institutions market reacted. I think it took us out by this week, long week there. When we put this through, it took us out. We took some losses there. Why we took these losses? Because it found everything was intact according to the way we trade. All conferences were present, but by the time market came in, it came with aggressive momentum for the sellers and took us out. So secondly, we removed that. So at the back of the mind, we're still expecting the buyers to step in. At the extreme, we had the extreme demand, and this extreme demand has holded up the trade, and we still see. And what are we waiting for here? Oh, we already into the trade. We took it aggressively. Why we took this trade aggressive? Because we know that at this point market has to give us some bit of pullback, or introducing buyers to step in into the game. So when the buyer stepped in, it gave us some pips, and we already in profit. And we have already took this trade on break even. So if market continues pushing up, it will be able to clear up this buy side liquidity, forming us a break of structure. Then we'll be able to take a trade on this pullback, and we'll continue taking the market towards the buy side liquidity above there. So next week, definitely we still expect a pullback back into the range. And then if sellers are still in, then we'll be able to take out this demand. So that was the trade we took on gold. So also we had another trade on GJ, and this one is still in. We had a demand which we were waiting. We were expecting a market to go bullish, and tapping into our demand, we wanted to give us a market. He wanted to give us a confirmation of a change of character or an internal break of structure, which definitely it gave us on 5 minutes. And then this demand, we still expect that the buyers will be able to push this market at its back into the middle range, or the opening of the candle next week. So, and this trade is still playing in. It is still playing in, and we hope that also it will be able to reach to our target. You get? So, and if you're still enjoying this video, please subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, share to your friends. If you want to get free signals, join my public group on Telegram. You'll be able to get free signals, and if you want to inbox me, you'll be able to inbox me. If you want to learn, if you want to invest with us, also an opportunity is available. You get? So we're waiting for this market sell model. We are waiting for. So in case this trade does not follow our rules, definitely we hit our SL. That's part of the game in trading. But what you need to know also, or what you need to master, is the risk management.